Hello and welcome everyone to another episode of Zab FM Digital. I am your host Colin Moses. Today we are here to discuss the startup weekend that Zab is bringing to 100 campus. This episode is powered by Zabis BS Entrepreneurship and brought to you by Zab FM Digital. Today we are here with our power group, which if I would introduce is Fare, Shiza and Namra. They have some interesting ideas and creativity which they are bringing to their stalls and through the table. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Namra and I am doing BS Entrepreneurship from Zabis. Currently, I am putting a stall on subject business development.
Hello, I'm Shiza Sabir Alam and I am a student of entrepreneurship. I'm currently in semester 5, section A, and we are putting stalls of jewelry, keychains, and mini games.
Hello, my name is Farih Farhan and I am also fifth semester student of BS Entrepreneurship. We are putting up a store in Startup Weekend.
So, just a quick background on the startup weekend. Do you all have a name for your stall? And you said it's keychain jewelry. Can you give a little background on that?
So our stall's name is Charm and Chill. So, हम इस टाइप की ज्वेलरी बेच रहे हैं which can reflect a person's aesthetic, because jewelry and keychains tell a lot about person's aesthetic, their style, their personality. ठीक है, जैसे कि अगर फॉर एग्जांपल आप अगर बोल्ड ज्वेलरी पहनते हो a bit chunky jewelry, it represents how bold you are, how outspoken you are. And if you especially for women, if you wear very thin delicate jewelry, it represents more femininity and delicacy.
Okay, that's very interesting. So it's jewelry, some games, and keychains,
Yeah,
right?
yes.
So great idea. So if y'all could tell me who's the mastermind behind this, like whose idea was this, and who's here for moral support?
So we all contributed towards this plan, but initially I came up with we should put a jewelry stall, and my friends like Shiza, Faria, and other group members came up with like keychain and mini games ideas. So this idea came by like when I wear some jewelry and I have some cute keychains on my bag. So people ask me like, from where did you get these from? So I got the idea it would be good if I convert this compliments into some business like stalls. So that pinched the idea to put a jewelry stall.
Okay. So do any of y'all have some background experience with jewelry, keychains, or games?
I started jewelry last year as well and worked on it around 6 months. Or I have been working on trendy jewelries, especially bracelets, pendants, but couldn't convert. कुछ opportunity नहीं मिली. This is the opportunity to bring in.
And I think jewelry is not just uh, uh, like for buying. It's it's very close to girls. It's the pure symbol of love for girls. You can give to your loved ones, and the people you are close to. So it's jewelry is a symbol of love. That's why we try to take this.
So in terms of jewelry, we talk because I think that's your core product, jewelry. Jewelry is usually it's more related to females. That's the traditional way. Although I recently I have seen much changes in this. Personally, myself also, I started wearing rings and a chain and all that. But I believe jewelry is a way to elevate your outfit, right? You are wearing a plain outfit, but if you put a fancy ring, a good chain, it pops. So, in terms of the new generation and the trends you could talk about, what type of jewelry do we expect from your stall? Or what do you all have you all done any background research on the market of what type of jewelries are you all bringing that would be a really good fit to the environment of Zabis?
I think it's a passion of doing something when like people can enjoy and have fun with. They can relate to it and can engage. Like jewelry is something which is not gender specific. Boys and girls both are wearing it. So for boys, if you are asking that way, they can have niches to wear with the chain, and they can have some bands which is also trending. Likewise, so it goes with that.
So during this entire journey of yours, you all have been working on this for the past 2-3 weeks, I believe. Is there any incident like you could say funny or conflict of interest where hota hai, like we work with teams, we get annoyed of each other, we get bugged at each other. you're like कि मुझे इसके साथ काम ही नहीं करना, मेरा ग्रुप ही चेंज कर दो. So in terms of this collaboration, आपस में कभी ऐसा हुआ, any thought or any funny incident के किसी ने कोई comment pass कर दिया, या while you all went shopping or something, कुछ any incident that you all would like to share in your journey?
Just the one funny thing which happened related to the stall was like we all were discussing like there's no activities to do such things and to spend time when you have such games and all. So we came up with when we will be putting stalls, so it will get boring, so we should come something like some new plan to make people engaging. So we came straight from boredom and laughter, we decided that we can put a mini game to engage the customers and like to attract them and feel them like there's something exciting in our stall. So we just decided a lot of games with like total laughter and all. Then we decided that we can have a chartboard where we can place the cups, and the person will throw a ball into the specific glass and will get a discount. So this was a total funny visual which I remember right now.
And I believe it's a very unique and fun idea right now. When I was reading about your project as well, जब मैं पढ़ रहा था jewelry, keychain, okay, standard, and then it was like mini games, and then that was the more attracting part than jewelry and keychain itself, because that's like, I'm more curious to come and visit and for the games.
Yeah.
Of course, the jewelry is the core product, but it's a fun element that you
Engaging
guys have thought
product.
about. So, in terms of a target market and in terms of people or personalities you all are engaging, have you ever thought about what type of people you all want to come to your stall, or what is the generation or the age group or the gender, anything as such that you all thought that these type of people would purchase from us?
Okay, so the gender would be neutral. It would be for both men and women. और जो target audience की जो age range होगी, that could be like 18 to 25, इतनी like Gen Zs.
This is the target audience that Zabis में
Yeah.
आपको बहुत easily available होगा.
Yeah, it's going to be the trendy students who love to stay with the trends of jewelry and follow all the updated version of jewelries and keychains. Those are our target audience.
Someone who ये उन लोगों के लिए होगा someone who likes to reflect their personality through jewelry, their style.
Okay. So Farid was telling us that उसने last year भी jewelry किया था, and he was doing this for 6 months. So Farid, आपका experience last year कैसा था jewelry के साथ?
Last year was a bit slow, but last year मेरा जो group था, especially we were all men, तो jewelry का इतना idea नहीं था, and issues हो रहे थे थोड़े, लेकिन इस दफ़ा group change हुआ है, plus women को ज़्यादा idea होता है jewelry का, तो
You all got the experts in it.
yes.
Yeah.
So in terms of this entire struggle, what has each of you contributed to this? Like, who's been doing the running about, getting the inventory, and who's more focused on marketing, games, and also everyone has their own expertise.
Yeah.
So have you all able to identify each of yours?
Because me and Namra are doing the marketing and the games thing. We will set up the props and all, and we'll also post our stalls and their panaflix on our stories on social media. And meanwhile, Farid and other members are doing financing and shopping stuff.
So right now, have you all bought your jewelry? Is everything done, or you all are still working on it?
No, we're still working on it.
Okay. Is there any product that you all have? Because of course आप ज्वेलरी लेने जाते हो तो आप अपने perspective से खरीद ले हो, तो you buy stuff that you like.
Yeah.
So I'm talking about my experience as well. Like I also went with my group beaded jewelry लेने, beaded हम लोग accessories कर रहे थे. So I was going towards more black, red, dark, मतलब boyish colors. वो तो thank God I had a girl like Farid was saying, तो उसने कुछ girly items उठाए, वरना मैं तो बोलता सब black ही लेते हैं and उसमें charms डाल देंगे. So in terms of any product that you all like, that you all think that आप लोग लाओगे and people would be really attracted to, any jewelry, any keychain that really would stand out?
Yeah, obviously we do think like that, क्योंकि हमने जो सारे products choose किए हैं वो trendy ही हैं. Even though हमने जो चीज़ें sort की हैं and we have told them जो चीज़ें buy करनी है उसकी भी हमने reference pictures share की हैं to let them know what's trending more, as boys don't know what's trending for girls. So उससे और अगर हम लोग बोलें कि हमारा special product है तो that's something the initial charms one, and the keychains, which contains a small Stanley bottles. As you know, it's also trending, so that's the one thing.
It all sounds very interesting. I'm really hoping that we get to see this, and I myself, would want to play that mini games, of course. Now, in terms of agar hum, like, this is a very unique idea, hats off to you guys for thinking about this, going out of your way. I understand struggles hoti hai, working with a group and all. Talking about the startup culture in Pakistan, and you guys being entrepreneurship students, there's a reason you all must have chose this degree, right? Where do you all see yourself in the next 5 years? तो नहीं बोलूँगा, interview तो नहीं है ये, but like being entrepreneurship students, what's the reason for choosing this degree, and what do you think? Because of course our generation being के job market बहुत ख़राब हो गई है, जब तक हम लोग का graduation होगा, God knows क्या होगा. So in terms of entrepreneurship, where do you see yourself going with this degree? अगर इंशाल्लाह graduation हो जाता है 1-2 साल में, तो entrepreneurship wise, how do you all expand your expertise?
Okay, so I am a very huge fashion enthusiast. ठीक है, तो मेरा जब मैं इस यूनिवर्सिटी में आई, मेरा फर्स्ट ये था कि मैं एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में ही एडमिशन लूँगी, बिकॉज बचपन से मेरा एक ड्रीम था कि आई ओपन माई ओन क्लोथिंग ब्रांड. मुझे शुरू से ही ड्रेसेस, फैशन वगैरह का बहुत ज़्यादा शौक था. तो आई सी माई सेल्फ परस्यूइंग माई ड्रीम, मेकिंग माई ओन करियर, मेकिंग माई ओन ब्रांड, सेलिंग माई ओन ड्रेसेस.
Okay, so that's clothing का
Yeah.
passion है आपको.
In my opinion, I belong to family business family. So बचपन से ही रहा है कि business ही करना है, and but my dream is to pursue, not to pursue my family business, but to do my own thing, new startup or any creative idea, innovative. So this degree is very helpful.
Okay. Namra, is there anything
Yeah.
that you're passionate about?
Yeah, I think entrepreneurship has helped me in many ways. Like, it has told me how to be innovative, creative, and flexible, and understanding consumer behavior at the same time. I have a lot of family businesses, but मुझे इतना आइडिया नहीं था कि मैं क्या परस्यू करूँ. Then I came up with the idea. I had a farm. So वहाँ पे we have coconuts, dragon fruit, and a lot of other type of fruits. So वो जब भी हमारे घर पे आते थे, तो we used to like distribute among our family members. So I came up with the idea to why shouldn't I supply to like Fresh Basket, Springs, Nahid, and other stores like that. So I emailed them and came across them and send them the sample. So I think this all this journey helped me in a way कि BS entrepreneurship ने मुझे इतना educate और strategies guide की कि how to make the business stable and how to go along with it. So yeah, I'm running it right now, so it has helped me a lot.
Definitely. So in terms of being entrepreneurship students, you all would be very aware of the startup culture. हम लोगों ने बहुत case studies करी हैं, बहुत research करी है. So is there any brand that you all adore, that you all think that have done exceptionally well? Talking about local Pakistani market, that you all think ke, if this brand has done it, so can we? So any brands that you, Farid, think that has done very well?
Khadi.
Khadi. Shiza, like any brand that you think ke, wow, ke, इन्होंने क्या brand बना दिया है from nothing?
छोटे छोटे brands that are related to our like stall, like jewelry. बहुत अच्छे इंस्टाग्राम पे स्मॉल सेलर्स हैं. एक जीन बहुत अच्छा है, जीन, आई गेस jewelist.pk एंड एफर नाम है उसका, हाँ आई गेस. तो ये 3 इंस्टाग्राम के पेजेस है जिन्होंने दे हैव डन एक्सेप्शनली वेल, ठीक है, इन देयर बिजनेस, इन देयर जर्नी. ये इन्होंने स्मॉल लाइक होम स्टार्टअप्स थे इनके, और इन्होंने आगे ऐसे बढ़ते बढ़ते उनकी जर्नी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है अगर आप इन इंस्टाग्राम पेजेस को स्टडी करेंगे तो.
Yeah, same. I think Nia Mia is a clothing brand. They have such very limited stock. उनके पास ज़्यादा stock नहीं होता, but they have home-based business and they are doing really good by launching it in Dubai sometimes, in Abu Dhabi, and sometimes in Karachi. They have a very small outlet, but उन्होंने अपनी एक hype, अपनी एक image और एक persona create कर दिया है, तो लोग उसके पीछे जो जा रहे हैं. So I think that's something really amazing in such a short period of time.
So small businesses that are mostly social media and online based, they're doing very well with the digital transformation and
Yeah.
social media. Yeah, which is definitely true. सो अगर हम बात करें इन टर्म्स ऑफ व्हाट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट लाइक बीइंग एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप स्टूडेंट्स, हम लोग 2-3 साल से पढ़ रहे हैं अबाउट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, राइट? सो लेट्स से अगर हम एक बिजनेस स्टार्ट करते हैं, सो और एनीवन वाचिंग दिस एपिसोड और यू गाइस इन फ्यूचर यू स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस, what do you think is the major advantage that we have that previous businesses did not, in terms of technology, social media reach, or anything that you all think is अगर done well business expand कर सकता है, grow कर सकता है?
आई थिंक जो मेजर हमारे पास एडवांटेज है दैट इज़ AI, लाइक यू नो अ वेरी वेरी ह्यूज एडवांटेज. क्योंकि मैं एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ. आई मोस्टली डिज़ाइन माई ड्रेसेस, आई डिज़ाइन माई ओन ड्रेसेस. और मेरे जो माइंड में जो मैंने डिज़ाइन बनाया हुआ होता है, आई यूज़ Gemini app and I write the prompt, and it generates the same, like you know, the type of idea, the type of dressing that I want. So AI has helped me a lot, like you know, to design my own dresses, to make my own patterns and laces and stuff.
Okay, so yeah, definitely AI is very important in new businesses, of course. So coming on this on the topic again, on your brand, on your idea as well, Zabbis has provided us this opportunity for 2 days, but it's an entire 6 months journey that leads to these 2 days of us collaborating, working together. So how it's very important that the university recognizes that their students need this opportunity, this networking space, this way to have a one-on-one connection, because theoretically तो हम लोग पूरा सेमेस्टर पढ़ते रहते हैं बुक्स से कि ये क्या है, टारगेट मार्केट क्या होती है, ऑडियंस क्या होता है, नेगोशिएशन क्या होती है, बट प्रैक्टिकल इंसाइट्स कि कोई यूनिवर्सिटी दे रहा है उसको बड़ी बात है. सो लाइक लास्ट ईयर के एक्सपीरियंस को माइंड में रखते हुए, हाउ डू यू थिंक दिस event has helped you understand consumers better or to present yourself as entrepreneurship? How has Zabbist helped you in that?
I think Zabbist is like really supportive. Its faculty, its teachers, and like you know the whole university. स्पेशली जो प्रोग्राम है हमारा, इसने हमें शुरू से ही इनोवेशन, क्रिएटिविटी की तरफ लाइक यू नो हमें पुश किया है, हमें पुश फॉरवर्ड किया है कि नहीं, लाइक यू नो इफ़ यू हैव समथिंग इन योर माइंड यू हैव टू अचीव इट. आपको कभी भी लाइक यू नो उन्होंने डिस्करेज नहीं किया. आपको टीचर्स बहुत अच्छी हैं, आपको टीचर्स हमेशा इनकरेज करती हैं कि लाइक यू नो गो फॉर योर ड्रीम्स, परस्यू योर ड्रीम्स.
Definitely.
And also I think it is educating us in a way like how to market our product by like a small setup, so we can do and apply these strategies in future too. So likewise,
Last time we all were part of this startup weekend. So and we've been studying entrepreneurship like for 2 years, 3 years now. So is there anything that book related or something that the teachers told you that like Fareh, if you could like से कि ये चीज़ ना जो मैंने क्लास में पढ़ी थी जब मैंने स्टॉल लगाया था ना, मुझे बहुत एक क्लिक करी थी कि लोगों से बात कैसे करनी है, नेगोशिएट करनी है, लोग बिहेव कैसे करते हैं, व्हाट वैल्यू रिसर्च. सो कुछ ऐसा जो आपका कोर्स रिलेटेड आपको बहुत फ़ायदा हुआ हो जब आपने स्टॉल लगाया हो?
कोर्सेज में वैसे पढ़ा तो बहुत है, और थ्योरी बेस में काफ़ी जो हैं कॉन्सेप्ट्स है जो अप्लाई हो गए. मिसाल टारगेट मार्केट और वी हैव स्टडीड SCCA, सब अप्लाई हुआ और काफ़ी सीखा भी प्रैक्टिकल. पिछले साल भी सीखा, इंशाल्लाह इस साल भी सीखेंगे. पिछले साल से फिर जो बेहतर कर सकते हैं वो इस साल भी करेंगे.
एंड आई थिंक हमें फीडबैक और मार्केट रिसर्च के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ाया जाता है. एंड जो लास्ट टाइम भी हमने स्टॉल्स लगाए थे उसमें भी हमने फीडबैक्स ही ली थी रिलेटेड टू आवर पैकेजिंग, प्रोडक्ट, और जो आप लोग को चीज़ें अच्छी नहीं लग रही है, इवन इट्स प्राइसिंग एंड वॉट एवर इट इज़, तो वो चीज़ें हमने प्राइसिंग, कॉस्टिंग, पैकेजिंग, गुड क्वालिटी, इको फ्रेंडली, ये सब हमने नॉलेज अपनी बुक्स और अपने प्रोग्राम से ही लिए. सो जस्ट व्हाट हेल्प्स अस.
Definitely. And I believe कि ये startup weekend, more than promoting a business, more than selling, more than making money or anything, right? It's more about bringing us together as a team, as a group together. So अगर लास्ट ईयर का आप लोग अपना थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेंगे कैसा था, एंड इस ईयर व्हाट डू यू एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम दिस इवेंट?
लास्ट ईयर मैंने परफ्यूम्स का स्टॉल लगाया था, तो एक्सपीरियंस मेरा काफ़ी अच्छा था, क्योंकि परफ्यूम्स की एक तो बॉटल्स थी, B.Dot की जो बॉटल्स थी वो दे वर एक्चुअली प्रिटी अट्रैक्टिव, और जो उनके टेस्टर्स थे वो भी वो टेस्टर्स के थ्रू हम पीपल को वो सेंट टेस्ट करवा रहे थे, तो वो तो लोगों को वो काफ़ी पसंद आया और हमारी उस वक्त काफ़ी सेल्स हुई थी.
Definitely. आप लोग का एक्सपीरियंस
मेरा लास्ट ईयर तो वो ज्वेलरी था, लेकिन ज्वेलरी में हम लोग ने इस दफ़ा तो डाइवर्सिफाई किया है, गेम्स भी रखे हैं, साथ की चेन्स भी रखा हुआ है। पिछले साल मैं, जैसे आपको पहले बताया, मैं ओनली मेंस थे हम लोग ग्रुप में ना, तो सिर्फ ज्वेलरी रखी थी, तो भले सेल्स नहीं हुई थी लेकिन एक्सपीरियंस हमें बहुत मिला था, रियल वर्ल्ड के बारे में बहुत पता लगा था कि वो एक्चुअली होता क्या है।
So last time I put a stall of candles. सारी जो अच्छी थी, the best item got sold out on the first day. जो सेकेंड डे था उसमें बहुत ही टाइनी और स्मॉल जो थी, जो ज़्यादा जिनके अंदर सेंट नहीं था, वो बच गई थी. सो व्हाट वी डिड, वी कोलैबोरेटेड विद द फ्लावर्स स्टॉल ना. सो वी बोथ कोलैबोरेटेड और हमने साथ सोल्ड आउट किए. उनके फ्लावर्स भी सोल्ड आउट हुए और हमारी कैंडल्स भी एज अ गिफ्ट. और हमने बहुत क्यूट पैकेजिंग एक डिज़ाइन की थी with a ribbon, with a bow and cute transparent packaging material. So that was our USP, I guess, और इसकी वजह से हमारी sold out सब items हो गए.
that's the experience. हम लोग यही सीखते हैं एक दूसरे से, and यही failing and learning का process होता है कि we make mistakes and you improvise on them as we go. So this year, when like let's say people coming to your stall, what can they expect? Like अगर कोई भी Zabbis से अगर आपके stall पे आता है, what can they expect from you guys?
They can expect fun because of games, and they can expect jewelry, style, fashion.
वैरायटी ऑफ ज्वेलरी।
Yeah.
And in terms of you guys के आप लोग भी अपना time और मेहनत लगा रहे हो, so what do you all want the audience to value and to come to you guys with what mindset?
They should come up with, obviously we are trying our best to engage them with all the activities we are offering, and even with the best trendy jewelries and keychains we are offering them. So obviously we want them to have full of excitement and fun whenever they are coming to our stalls to enjoy our stall.
Okay, I hope you guys like get the ideal response, because of course you guys have worked really hard and put a lot of mind and effort into this. Now in terms of let's say growth, like this is a very good idea which I am also impressed by. Like even I wanted to do games, but मेरे group वालों ने मुझे turn down कर दिया. So I'm glad that you guys are doing this, and there's a fun element and it's not all boring. Do you all see yourself expanding from this startup weekend? Like where do you see this charm stall going moving forward?
I see this as a growth opportunity because यहाँ के बाद maybe we can shift to online e-commerce platform. Plus I have reference through many people जो ज्वेलरी का काम ऑलरेडी करते हैं, लेकिन उनका ट्रेडिशनल वे होता है और उनका कुछ ज़्यादा आजकल के जो एक जनरेशनल गैप होता है, उनके पास पुरानी ट्रेडिशनल तरीके से कर रहे होते हैं ज्वेलरी का काम, लेकिन हम नए तरीके से करेंगे ई-कॉमर्स, उनके साथ कोलैबोरेट कर सकते हैं और बहुत सारे वेज हैं, तो मुझे फ्यूचर ग्रोथ नज़र आता है इसमें.
So I definitely hope you guys get the response, and people appreciate the effort and the talent you all have put into it. So thank you so much for like giving me your time. I understand university life busy hoti hai, assignments, classes and all, but thank you so much for coming. Now closing off, is there anything, because you all are entrepreneurship students, experienced students, you all have done this practically as well. Is there anything, that a message that you want to give our audience that are leaning towards entrepreneurship or leaning towards Zabbis, that you think that you have learned that you would like them to know as well, in terms of a raw truth about entrepreneurship? We go one by one from Sfare.
I guess अगर कोई लेसन देना है तो जो अपकमिंग स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके लिए मेरा तो यही मशवरा है कि नेवर गिव अप. आप ये डिग्री परस्यू करते हो, आप आपके डाउनफॉल भी देखते हो आप, लेकिन नेवर गिव अप एंड अचीव योर ड्रीम्स. इन अचीविंग योर ड्रीम्स, आज नहीं तो कल आपको मिल ही जाएगा.
Definitely.
मेरा मैसेज ये कि ऑलवेज बी इनोवेटिव, ऑलवेज कम विद न्यू आइडियाज़, नो मैटर आपके कितने हर्डल्स आए. लाइक ये जो फारे ने बात की, लाइक नेवर गिव अप. आपके आइडियाज़ कुछ ना कुछ मतलब एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल थिंग बन सकते हैं आगे जाकर.
What I've learned from this university and from my past projects is teamworking is really important, and have a good communication towards your team members and participants can help you build something really good in future and in projects. So yeah, I think this has like made me learn teamworking. It's really important.
Great. So this dream team has given us the all three tools that we need to be successful as a team, as individuals: creativity, never give up attitude, and teamwork as well. So thank you so much for guys for coming once again. I am your host Colin Moses. This episode is brought to you by Zabis BS Entrepreneurship. I would like to thank our guest Namra Sheza Fare for taking out the time and coming and sharing insights.